this, we go die finish.
I'm shocked with what I'm seeing. That is as regard the price of things in the market.
We are not playing because every power.
I'm tired. I've been here since 4 o'clock. We work for our money. We need our money.
In 2023, Nigeria faced an uncertain economic future. The Naira was weak. Inflation was spiraling and the banking sector was wrestling with outdated regulations and dwindling investor confidence. Nigeria's economy faced severe headwinds, plummeting foreign investment and inflation levels unseen in decades. Years of unorthodox policies had left the financial system struggling, with high cash reserve ratios, punitive fines, and a Naira vulnerable to speculative trading. The gap between official and parallel exchange rates had widened, causing further instability. Yet, the appointment of Olayemi Cardoso as governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria signaled a pivotal shift.
Has approved the nomination of Olayemi Cardoso to serve as the new governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria for a term of 5 years at the first instance.
Assuming leadership with a clear mandate, Olayemi Cardoso was tasked to restore confidence, stabilize the economy, and enhance transparency in monetary policies.
There is no magic wand, unfortunately. I mean, these are issues we've had to grapple with. They're created over a period of time, a long period of time. And all we can do is try to use techniques, tools, which we believe are taking us in the direction.
One of Cardoso's most significant reforms was introducing a recapitalization policy requiring Nigerian banks to increase their minimum capital by April 2026 significantly. This reform aims to fortify the financial sector, ensuring banks can withstand economic shocks while improving their capacity to lend particularly to SMEs and the agricultural sector and drive economic growth.
The recapitalization plan is seen as a positive development for the economy, and industry leaders are optimistic about its impact.
Well, if this strategic initiative is well appropriated, it should be able to help us reboot our economy.
By the end of his first 6 months, the gap between official and parallel market exchange rates had narrowed to historic lows. FX inflows rose by over 35%, bringing much-needed stability to Nigeria's currency market. In a decisive policy move, the central bank escalated the monetary policy rate to an assertive 27.25%.
The MPC noted the continued growth in money supply, recognizing the need to curtail excess liquidity in the system as well as address foreign exchange demand pressures.
While challenging for businesses and consumers in the short term, Cardoso's focus on inflation control set the stage for long-term stability. By mid-2024, the headline inflation rate began to decline, a result of a combination of the central bank's assertive monetary policies and broader fiscal measures, with inflation dropping to 33.4%.
In July 2024, Nigeria's inflation rate fell to 33.4% from 34.19% in June, marking the very first time a decline since December 2022.
By and large, the Cardoso-led administration has done incredible work.
The fact that we are targeting those key areas that are, that are responsible for the uptick in inflation, particularly food inflation, is a smart one.
With more stable exchange rates, we've seen a rejuvenation in foreign investments.
Foreign investors are buying Nigerian stocks again after an extended time off sparked Nigeria's stock market witnessed a substantial increase in foreign portfolio inflows during the first quarter of 2024.
The enhanced access to capital is promising and instills hope for our future. In just 1 year, capital importations surged by over 230%, a testament to Cardoso's reforms aimed at rebuilding investor confidence in one of Africa's most significant economies. But beyond economic reforms, Cardoso has made it clear that the central bank's independence is essential for Nigeria's financial future. He has distanced the CBN from political influence, refocusing on institutional governance and long-term policy objectives. 1 year in, the path forward is clearer than it has been in years. Under the leadership of Olayemi Cardoso and the collective efforts of the central bank's management team, the Central Bank of Nigeria is beginning to do what it was always meant to: stabilize, inspire confidence, and lay the foundation for Nigeria's future